Welcome our new subscribers or viewers, and welcome back our returning viewers. Today we're going to make some stewed pork. So to start, we're going to show the ingredients as we go along. So here we have 2 pounds of pork, well washed with vinegar and lime juice. You can use the vinegar or you can use lime juice based on your preference. I have here some carrots, scallion, some string beans, Irish potato, garlic, and Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm just going to sprinkle some salt on the pork. I also have here my blended herbs. I'll put a link in the top right corner. We have a video uploaded on how to make the marinade. So I'm just going to put some in there, massage it into the pork, because you know, so this have everything. It have scallion, pimento, Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, and you name it. We're going to add the browning. You can add the browning based on your preference, because some people like them meat very dark, some people just like a little bit of browning, so you just add the browning based on your liking, right? So we're going to massage in everything, and then now I'm going to put it aside, put a cling wrap over the bowl, and allow the meat to marinate for about half an hour. So while the meat are going to marinate, we're just going to go ahead and cut up the vegetables to add to the pork, right? So that's what we're going to do. So with the string beans, if you prefer to leave the string beans as is, you can do that. If you prefer to cut them into small pieces, you can do that. So it's based on your liking, but this is how we're going to do it today. We're just going to dice everything into small pieces. After cutting up the vegetables, we're going to pour some cooking oil into the frying pan, allow it to be heated. Then we're going to, fry up the pork just a little bit, because that's how I like it. Me not like put my pork straight in the pressure cooker, so no, I like to fry up the pork just a little bit. Yes, and after I fry it up now, then I go ahead and put it into the pressure cooker. So that's what we're about to do. Alright, so this is how the pork is looking. You don't want to dry out the pork too much now, guys, so don't fry it till it dry, right? So I think I'm done now, so I'm just going to go ahead, pour off the oil, and then transfer into the instant pot or the cooker, whatever you want to call this thing, right? So we're going to allow that to pressure until it is fork tender. Once fork tender, we're going to transfer it into a pan and season. So you can add whatever season you want to add, your pimento, your sweet pepper, your scotch bonnet pepper, whatever vegetables you want to add, you can be creative and add it right here. So these are the vegetables that we're working with. We're using our string beans or carrots or Irish potato. We drop in a little scotch bonnet pepper. So if you like the spicy food, you can always go ahead and slice up the scotch bonnet pepper, put little seed in there if you like spicy food, right? So me not like the spicy food, so I'm just going to go ahead and put 2 piercing on the scotch bonnet pepper so we can get the flavor, right? Okay, so once the Irish potato is cooked and it start mash out and all of that, it's going to allow the sauce or the gravy to thicken, right? Okay, afterwards we're going to allow the meat to kind of simmer down a little bit more so we can get that thick gravy. And we're also going to go ahead and add some ketchup to also help to thicken the gravy, because me love whole heap of gravy. You see, when me I eat my food, me love whole heap of gravy. Some people like put the gravy on the side, but me love my gravy for my rice, especially if me I eat rice, because me no love the dry food. Me love whole heap of gravy, right? So we're just going to allow the meat to simmer down until the gravy is thickened. After thickened, we're going to serve and show you what it's looking like. Guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, comment down below and let us know what other recipes you'd like us to make, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. So this is our brown stewed pork with vegetables. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button.